What's going on, you guys? LarryStar1999 on YouTube. After the phone's acting not too happy today for some weird reason, but back to our normal episode of me actually doing railroad work other than making a profile called Sears Central. Believe it or not, there was a train set I've been looking for online. There is a set called Sears Central. It came out around 1995. Problem is, there's some people on eBay, they're charging over $300 almost for it. Well, basically, if you bid on it. But realistically, in my opinion, when those sets were new in 95, someone told me they were worth like 150. Again, this is not like it's a, Super Chief or a Zephyr or anything like that. Just Sears Central set. There is a set called that. But I hope my phone don't act up again. And also the other profile, it's glitching to now where instead of me making wooden things, now it's turning it into hammers and other things and billets. Don't ask me why. I don't know why it's doing that. You guys probably have an idea, or it's glitched. Alright, here we go. Hey, look at that. Now I have a bank. What's a major state? Okay. Oh, he wants steel. Well, I kind of hope you enjoyed this episode, you guys. But like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you want to see me on YouTube to keep up to date with videos. And we'll see you all in the next one.